Today, we're drawing Sigma Boy Brainrot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Start with 2 dark lenses. Add the thick glasses frame. Then pop in the penguin beak clean and simple. Pull 2 straight lines down on both sides. Keep it boxy. This style is pixel chunky on purpose. Now the top hair. Build a blocky salmon piece sitting like a crown. Think salmon nigiri vibes. Left arm time simple, angular. And finish with a clenched fist. Mirror the right arm. Same thickness, same angles, symmetry makes it look pro. Draw a wide belt across the belly. This is the nori wrap that holds the sushi together. Above the nori, draw the top part of the rice body rounded, but still blocky. Now build the bottom rice. This is the sushi torso, so don't be shy. Add the inner center shape. That's the filling. Keep it layered like sushi stuffing. Drop in the lower body and blocky thighs. Short legs, strong stance sigma posture. Finish with 2 chunky feet. Wide base so he looks solid like a sushi. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!